Hi friends, welcome to my channel. We'll start with second part of for each. We'll take some different examples of different data types. As I said, this channel is mainly focusing on the slow learners also. That's the reason I'm taking the different examples and let you know can we use this for each to use in searching part in an array. If you want to find an element whether it's available in this array or not, we'll do that at the last. Now, how to write the code to display all the elements here. In the previous video, we have seen like how to display the values and even how to find the sum. Now, similarly, let me write the code here to explain you how to use the same thing for a double character and strings. It's almost same, but as a practice and the purpose, I'm taking another video for you like this. Now, if you want to display all the elements here, just a moment. Yeah. If you want to display all the elements, then we write for, and better you give a colon first. As I said in the previous video, you give the array name as whatever the array name is. It is d values. Now you see what are the elements inside the array. Now this explanation will be more helps in your. It will be more helpful in your 2D array and 3D array using the for each in 2D and 3D arrays. So this is the array name, and the elements in this array is nothing but the double values. Therefore, I will give a double, and I can give any variable here as x, v or anything. Just open, and simply if you want to display, instead of saying system.out.println, I'm writing very shortly as SOPLN. Here I can say x. Okay, now here a very important thing that many people may do some mistake is they write system.out.println as uh, d value, d values. So this is wrong. When you're using for each, definitely you should use the variable that what you declared here. Okay, now let me take with this next loop. Sorry, next array called as character array. Now it will be same. Again, I'll give a colon. Okay, let me take another color. Yeah, for values. Then yeah, the array name is ch underscore values. So I'll give here ch underscore values. Now here every element in an array, this array is a character. Therefore, I can give char like suppose ch. Now you can display the elements system.out.println. Yeah, ch. Okay, again it's very simple. Done. How to work with the strings is also same. That's what I want to have I want to give a clarity for you all. That's why I'm taking the examples on all data types. Now, how to display the string array in same way. Give a colon here, and the name is str values. Oh, it is mistyped here. Values. Then I should say here as str underscore values. Since Java is a case sensitive, if s is small here, it should be given as small here. Okay, don't forget that. Str underscore values. Now here you see it is a string, right? Every element in this array is a string. Therefore, I write as string some str. Therefore, if you want to display them system.out.println, I can say str. Don't forget that you should give the str here like this. You should not give str underscore values. Okay, now yeah, here if you want to find whether this element is existing in an loop or not, you can do that in the for each. How I can do that? I can say for, again, what is the array name? A. Now element in this array is an integer. Now I'll say x. Now here, if you find that element, then you can display the value. Then you can display some message. Therefore, I can write here if x, every element here, is equivalent to key. If it is equivalent to key, then you can take a flag here, boolean, some flag equal to, we assume that uh, the element is doesn't exist in this array is a default case. Now if it is x value is equivalent to key value, then I will say flag equal to true. Here what we are doing? We are doing searching an element inside a array. I can say it can be a binary. It is, sorry, it is linear search. Linear search. How I can say it is a linear search? Because I'm starting from the beginning and till end, I'm going on searching the elements. Here very important thing is that in for each, you can traverse from forward to or at the beginning, from beginning to end. You can say as from beginning to end. And here we cannot use this for each in the reverse order from end to beginning. If you want to do that, you cannot do either using for each concept. Okay, therefore I'm making a flag here, I'm closing here, and here I need to test what is the flag value. If the flag value is true, then I will say system.out.println the key element exists in an array. Key element exists in the array, or I can say the search is successful. Okay, now else unsuccessful. Doesn't exist. Key doesn't exist in the array. So this is a way how we can use the for each. So here the thing is that even though you get the x value as 35 matched here in this situation, all the elements will be compared. So to stop that, I can add a break statement here. So let me say, okay, we'll write this again. How I can do that? Open, I'll say flag equal to true, then I can use the break statement. Now see here, whenever I use a break statement, I'll come out of the for each. So in this video, finally you have used the double values to display the double values using the for each, and for the character, for the string, and even to use for the linear search. And you might also understood how that we can use the break statement within the for each. Okay, and the next video will come with using for each for 2D and 3D array. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.